Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation slide course, Online Scams Virtual Web. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ferindra Hernanda Putra, and I am a college student at Telkom University. I am here to share some knowledge about online scamming, such as various types and characteristics of online scamming, as well as tips and tricks to avoid online scams. The reason that I choose this topic is because it is very important and will increase our knowledge and awareness about online scamming. Before we go to the main presentation, I have some short stories. 2 years ago, I got scammed online. I opened a fake website on Steam and logged in with my real account. The impact is that my account got hacked and password was changed. In that moment, suddenly I was very panicked and tried to recover my account. Thankfully, I can recover it with the help of Steam support. So, am I telling you this story? Well, the goal of my presentation is to increase your knowledge and awareness about online scamming so that you do not get experience what happened to me before. Next,
Next.
here table of contents, the roadmap of my presentation. First, there is introduction, second body, and the third conclusion. Next, move to the introduction. Next, introduction. Like I tell you before, don't worry, this slide will be your friendly guide to learning and protecting yourself from online scams, while also providing some helpful tips to help you make your digital adventure safe. Next, the digital era. As technology continues to advance, online scam techniques are also evolving to the next level. According to Fahmi, in 2020, the modus of scamming always change. They are utilizing and using existing technology to scam the victim. Next, it it's very important to raise awareness and knowledge to recognize and prevent online scams because it is always better to prevent the problem than solve the problem. Next, preview. Okay, here we have a preview of the next content, which is the body. First, various type, the discussion about the various forms and the impact of online scam. Second, characteristic, explanation about the most common characteristic of online scam. Third, tips and trick, the discussion about measure individual can take to avoid online scams. Next, we move to the body section. Okay, next. First section of body are various types of online scam. Next. The first type is fake file in WhatsApp. Here I provide some example of type of online scam that went viral long ago, which is a fake file app from WhatsApp. The scammer is sending a file to the victim. The impact, if the file is open, it will access all the data on your device and steal it. Then send it to the scammer device. Next. The next example of online scam is duplicate popular website. This is next example of topic online scam that I experienced before. The impact are fake login to popular website. If you login, then your password will suddenly change. Next, result. As a result, it has big impact on the individual. The impact is crucial to those who were scammed because the scammer stole their personal file. Next. Move to the second section is characteristic of online scam. Okay, before I explain it, I want you to guys to find the difference between real and fake Discord. Did you find it? Yes, it lies in the writing of word O. In the original, it should have been written with the letter O. But in the fake, it has been changed to the number 0, which can fool us all. Next. The most common characteristic is that we can tell by looking at the scam link. Frequently, fake links are copied from the official link and barely change their name, so we can tell if they are fake or not by looking at those characteristics. Next. move to the third section of body is tips and tricks online scams. Next, here are several tips and tricks. The first tips are antivirus. Install some antivirus software. Second, change password actively or regularly change or device password. Third, aware. Don't recklessly download something randomly from the internet. Fourth tip are mediator. Bring a second or third person when buying something online on a social media platform. The last tip are share. By share this slide to educate everyone so we cannot get scammed by the scammer. Next, the conclusion. In conclusion, in today's digital era, it's all about keeping your online activities safe and secure. And that all starts with knowing how to protect yourself from online scams by knowing the various types, characteristics, and tips on how to prevent it. Because it is always better to prevent the problem than solve the problem. So let's stay safe and aware to ensure your online adventure always secure. Next. Okay, finally, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching and don't forget to share these tips with your other friend. So stay safe everyone and goodbye.